Welcome back. I did my last video and I forgot to mention I installed the aftermarket taillights on the vehicle. These ones are depot and they're smoked and they look really good. It's a pretty simple install. It's not hard at all. I mean, you just gotta take all the cover from the trunk and then you just screw a nut, take out a nut, and it come out pretty easy. And these ones too. From the inside, it's not like you have to take the bumper out to get them in it. I used to have an Acura and you had to take the whole bumper out just to get the taillights out, but this one is pretty easy. But that's the look right now on the taillights. They look pretty damn dope. I'm digging them. I'm digging the whole look of the car right now with the taillights and the trunk lip. I'm waiting on the side skirts. They're gonna go here and it's gonna go down here. I'm waiting on them. And I put a light tint on these things right here. I put a light tint just so they don't look that red. But I actually ordered a dark blue tint, and I'm gonna put it here because I'm trying to go with black with blue. So hopefully I'm gonna end up putting the symbol too. I'll probably end up putting like black here and put it black and blue, the symbol. I would like to get rid of that chrome letters on the BMW, but I guess I'm gonna have to leave it like that. But yeah, tail lights on, man. This thing is getting ready in no time. So subscribe, hit the like button, please support the channel so I keep putting more content. And if you got any question or any advice about what type of content you want me to do, what you need to know about the VM, then just let me know. All right, till the next one. Thank to the new subscribers too. Appreciate you. Be safe.